Today I'll be cooking a banga soup. Ofaho. In Anambra, you know, I'm from Anambra, we call it ofaho. So at that time people call it banga soup. They use it to eat. So today we'll be cooking a banga soup. So join me and cook with Floxy. I have my the juice, palm fruit juice already prepared. I've already prepared that. This is my onion. You can see the onion. I've already sliced it too. So it's one of the ingredients I'll use to prepare this banga soup. So this is my crayfish. I pounded it manually, washed it. I didn't grind it with a blender. I pounded it manually. And this is the seasoning I'm going to use. Just like I've told you, my brand is Mr. Chef. They are the best. They give me the flavor, the taste, the aroma I like. So if you are not using it, just like I've told you before, you are missing a lot. So next one is the salt. The salt too. You can see Mr. Chef. So they are my brand. Everything I use is Mr. Chef. So this is the protein I've used. You can see the meat and the fish I will use. I'm making a small banga soup. So the fish and the meat, the protein is already there. So you join us. I have my scent leaf. My scent leaf already sliced. We call it nchuang. You know, this is very nice. Very nice for cooking. I don't know what you use as your own veggie. Me, I use scent leaf. If you want the banga soup to be extraordinary, use scent leaf. The flavor, the taste, everything is there, and it's also good for the stomach. The next thing I have is my pepper. That's what I have here. So join us. Join me with the cooking. Join Floxy as I cook. I'm pouring the palm kernel juice here. I've already washed it, extracted the juice. You can see I'm pouring it here because that's what I'm going to use to cook this small banga soup. I always while putting, I don't pour all because you have to sieve out. Because at the end, the bottom, you will see some some